Hi friends, I am speaking your friend Prabagaran. Now in this video, in this CSOP tutorial video, I am telling the concept of what is the meaning of data table and then data set. Okay, the difference of between two. Okay, so what is the difference between that data table and database? Sorry, data set. Okay, so if you want to know that to learn that our data table and data set means, just listen this video. I'm told to you in this video I'm just adding the new form part to that concept. So I'm going to adding new form in my data entry project. I already created this data entry project. Okay, now I'm going to declare the name of project, um, difference. Okay, I'm just adding the difference. The form name I'm declaring here difference. Okay, I'm goes to that declare that project in difference form in this project. Okay, now the form open here. In this form just extract this form and then also here extract. Okay, now I'm going to just copy this color code for the background color to the form, control E and control C, and then go to here, control background color, control E, control V. Okay, now color change, and then also I'm going to set the title. So I'm just to copy this, control C, and then go to there, control V. So I'm changing that font size also. Okay, and then 24. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to that, set the title part to this concept. Data table and data set. Okay, data table and data set. Okay, now I'm just given that space bar to this one. So I'm goes to given space to one more. Okay, data table and data set. Now I'm set the title to this place, and then also I'm declaring here another one. C B. Okay, now another one for declaring here data table. And then also I'm set here data set. Okay, now I am set the data table and data set. Okay, you know the difference to about that concept means, just I am declaring here part of that concept, the data review. Okay, so I am using the data review. You want to know that concept, so I'm goes to here, just I am declaring resize this font size. Okay, now set it. Okay, in this place I'm declaring the toolbox, goes to toolbox, and then I'm set the data grid view. Okay, so I'm goes to the data grid view of the data tools. So I'm going to data tools here, data grid view, just drag and drop here, and control C, and then control V, set, control C, and then control V, and set here, and then control V, and also set here. Now I'm going to declare here, just drag and drop. Okay, so I am set the data view for to this two concept. Now what happened the data table in this data view, the data set concept of these two data review. Okay, this is the data, these two data of data set, and this one the data of all the data, the data table. Okay, so I am go to this concept I am declaring here. Okay, now I am going to declare that in this form one button I need, so I am going to just copy that button, control C, and then control here, come to that, V. Okay, I am going to declare in this place one button. Okay, I am changing the name, and then font size also change. Okay, I'm just click result, the result of data table and then data set I'm declaring here. Okay, now I'm designing this code, so whenever clicking this button, that time the data set and data table meaning you know here. Okay, so I'm first of all I'm declaring here what is the meaning of the data table. Okay, so I'm go to declaring first of all the using system dot data dot SQL client for that that query string. So I'm just to go to already declare the project, the data table. So I'm go to this data entry database of register table of data. So this all data I'm retrieve from this place to on that data grid view. Okay, so how to get the data by using the data table, and then how to get the data from the database to this data set data grid view. Okay, so I'm goes to this data of this database of this data table of data, get copy connection need to this one. So this connection already declared in this form design one. So I'm just to go to view code, just to copy these connections in control C, and then goes to here difference of CSS, here declaring control V. So this connections I am declared. Now here I am declaring that what means the SQL, and then also I am declaring here on for data table equal to, I am getting the data table in SS, or I am getting here. Okay, I am declare triple S equal to new data table. Okay, and then data set, I am get the variable name here PPT. Okay, Okay, so data set means just go with intro v data table means DTT, and then data set means SSS. Okay, now I am declare this value in this two variable names. So data table means TTT and data set means SSS. Okay, so now I will go to in this button, click even, where means go to difference in this button, click even. Now I am declaring here SQL data adapter. I am declaring one variable name for to ASDF or data. Okay, anyone ASDF equals new SQL data adapter. Here I am declaring between the bracket comma function. Okay. Now I am declaring here the query for the select all the data from the register table. So I am declaring select all from register. Okay, control S. Now I am declaring the data table I am get the value in data table. So this data table is this one. So I am go to here declaring the ASDF dot fill in TTT. Okay, the data table name. Okay, so and then now this is the data grid view. See, data table of data grid view 1. Okay, see the data grid view 1. So I'm go to declare on the difference here data grid view one dot data source equal TTT. Okay, control S. Okay, so this value I am getting this place. Okay, so ASDF fill on the data table, and then the data grid view data source. Okay, the data grid view of data get from the table. Okay, so all the data get to the data grid view in the table. Okay, now I'm go to run this project. Form loading this debug mode. Now that open this form. Okay, now open. Okay, login form available. I'm just given 1 2 3, and then also password and then 1 2 3. Now log in this form. After login, the form open. Okay, the data entry form open. So we need not this form. So I'm just goes to directly on that program file. Here declaring in this program file the run mode. Even I'm declaring the different form directly. Okay, so whenever that loading time, the different form only open. Okay, control S. Now I am go to run it. In this place that running mode the form directly open, the login form not open. Okay, now I am get result. So all the data get from the data table of register table to this data video. Okay, so all the data get from the there to here. Okay, see all the data get. So the data table is like this is the data table. Okay, this is the data table, and then see I'm using the whenever using the data table, that time that code I'm go to that in this place, go the C sharp code. See, whenever using that data table, okay, whenever using this data table, that time just you are declared here the fill dt and then fill dt data like this one only you can declare. So directly you get from the data from that database to this data table or the data grid view, okay, by using the data table. But your data set using means what happen, just go to and told to you there, just to copy this, control C, and then go to here, control V. Now I am declared here the data set. C SS means triple S means the copy the data table, sorry, data set, okay. The triple S data set I am declared here, control V, comma, and then the table of register table name, okay. So we should declare the table name between the double quotation, okay. I'm declaring here this table name, okay. Control C, then declare here control V, okay, control S. So like this you can declare in this place, and then also you declare here the data of triple S, the data set SSS dot at the table of tables 0, okay, like this you can declare. So whenever using the data table, okay, whenever using the data set, data table means like this code, and then data set means like this code. You declaring that in this data you are using the data table means just declare the data table variable name only here and here, okay. But you are using the data set, okay, you are using the data set means the variable name declared, and then also the table name also you should declare in this place, okay. And then also your data source place like this SS and table 0 and then table 1 and table 2, like that you can declare, okay. So you should declare like this, okay, and that purpose only the data get from there, okay. Okay, now I'm declare here data variable name data 1 control S, okay. Now I'm going to run it. What happens, you just listen here, run it. Result, so this form loaded, okay. But not this loaded, okay. So I'm go to here, changing that to y means, see, I'm going to show to you in the same place. This is the data grid view 2, this is data grid view 3, okay. So data grid 2 we need, and then data grid view 3 also need, okay. So I'm just to go to set the value and then all the values. So I'm goes to the data grid view 3 also, I'm go to that in this place, I'm run mode. Okay, what happened, I'm running it, what happened that, see, now I'm go to result, click, the time that the data grid 1 and 2 are loaded, okay. So see, all the data get from that database, okay, by using the data table and then by using that data set, okay. So whenever you are using the data table and data set like this means the time only you got the data from database to this data grid you can, or any places, okay. So like this you should declare, and then also just to copy this code, control C, and then also enter here, control V, okay. Now I am declaring here the table 1. Okay, come to this. Okay, I am here changing that variable and say variable, so I am supposed to change here. Now I am going to run this project. What happened in this place, I am changing that data will. Okay, so I am going to run it. What happened, just listen here. So when I am clicking the time, this all the data will be loaded. Okay friends, I am declaring here same value of 0. Okay, control S. Now I am stop it, and then also the table, same table, so that purpose we are declaring here same table of 0 table, so that purpose only is loaded. Okay, so I am going to run it, and then now open that form. Now I am going to click, so all the data will be loaded. Okay, here in this place, see all the data is loaded. Okay, so this is the difference of data table and data set. And then what is the meaning means, you know, or I think, I hope you you are understood this concept. What is the data table and data set? Okay, so data set means you can set the particular data also in this data grid view by using that columns and declare that query string. And then you can set that you can get all the records from by using the data set and then data table. So how to get that all the data from database to in this data grid by using this two method of data table and data set. Okay, this is the data set format. Okay, whenever you are using the data set, that time the data set variable name and then the table name should be declared in double quotation. And then also the data grid you places dot as table 0 table. Okay, table 0 and table 1 table 2, what you want that you can declare here. Okay, and then also goes to the table data means the data table, and then data table name only, variable name only you can declare. You are using the data table means that time the variable data data table of variable name only you can declare here. But you are using the data set means the near to this data set comma the database of table name also you can declare in this you can declare in this place. Okay, so variable name, data set variable name, and then this one, and then the table of data set, and then variable name you can declare. Okay friends, I am show to you in this place how to get the data from database to this data table and data set of the data review. Okay, so I am told to you this concept. Thank you friends, and see in another video. Okay, bye friends, and then subscribe me, and thank you.